So Connie, what was your reaction to the bird place?
It reminded me of this poem about caged animals in a zoo. So, yeah.
Oh, the English scholar.
No, it was, I was kind of expecting, like, a little cute garden with birds being sold, but, I mean, there were, like, tons of birds, like, crammed into, like, tiny little cages, and, it was a little sad. What did you think?
What I think? That was kind of creepy. But, I mean, you just go in there and there's like stacks of tiny cages, less than 1 cubic foot, and you know, that's all that a bird had as their life. That's it. That's all. And like, they'll be lucky if they have half a cubic foot to themselves.
Oh yeah, and then there are bags of like, were they crickets or grasshoppers?
Crickets, grasshoppers, worms,
mealworms. Yeah, it was kind of gross.
There was one, did you see it? I thought it was like seeds or something, and then I saw all the seeds were moving. And it was beetles.
Yeah, there were bags of insects for the birds, but that was pretty gross as well.
And so I was wondering, like, do they just go out and catch them or something? But I saw one of the stalls had like this giant cage, and there was one for this size and one for that size. So maybe like one was crickets, one was grasshoppers or something. And she just like scraped the sides of it and like put them in a bag.
Ew, gross. But I just can't imagine, like, if you own the bird and you know, it's feeding time, what do? Like, just reach in and, like, throw some out?
Well, I guess. I mean, at the same time, think, like, you know, although they're crammed, they're getting better food than the American birds who all they get is that fake processed crap. You know, here in Hong Kong, they get the real stuff.
Yeah.
They get the worms, they get the grasshoppers.
Natural, organic root. No, I would rather feed them processed food. I don't want to reach into a bag of crawling grasshoppers and crickets.
So that was our experience at the bird garden. The end.